notification bell. So we've been playing some Roblox. So we're about to play. And now we're about to play some. We're gonna play some. We're gonna go in games. I changed my shirt. It's like this. Change my shirt. So you can see it. So we're gonna play that. No, we're not gonna play that. I got to play snowboard. So we're gonna play this snowboard game. We haven't played a long. I never played it, so I'm gonna play it right now. I'm playing it. It's called this. We've been gonna play it. Do this one. Game Mountain. Thumbs up. So my outfit's gonna be that. So my outfit's gonna be like that. Now start. Boom. Here, snowboarding. Nobody playing this one. Yeah. Okay, we know that, so let's go. Okay, and then keep following it. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, do what? Okay. Go. We're gonna go away. I fall down already. And then move. How I move. Hold on. Okay, we are not gonna play this game. Okay. I am out. That was a crazy game. That has music. Not even a human with the music. I'm gonna get hit that too now, right below. So I'm gonna hit it by 5 below. So we're gonna play this. I haven't played this. I never played this before, so I'm gonna play it. So we're gonna play right now. So there's no people playing this. So people don't play it. So we're gonna play this. Okay, so it's really windy. My better channel released it. I use my channel so I have my channel. So we're gonna go to play. Then we're gonna go on the train. The train. Train is not there yet. Oh, the train is not there yet. Station is over here. And all the way over there. Going all the way over here. Is this so loud? Why? Okay. So I didn't want to say that. I can say I'm going to do a tricky board and tricky board. Yeah. There we go. And we are gonna play some Piggy. So yeah, okay. So I told you I played Piggy in my other video. So we're gonna go over here. Piggy? And Piggy? We're about gonna play this. Okay, we're going in this. So Mr. Potato thing, so we're gonna be okay, yeah, I'm not a person. Oh, we need keys to go into the circus. Okay, but there's no piggy around here. There's no piggy. No piggy around here. Oh my god. I'm not piggy around here somewhere. Like I saw pig in the zoom in. There you go right there. Give me. Oh. Eh. Oh my god. Here. Let me go in here. This has a lot of music, so not even why is hold on. Then play this is so loud, why? We're gonna play some. Okay, so we'll do that. Into that. So we are gonna play some. So we're gonna play some DJ Marshmallow. Play some DJ Marshmallow for a little bit. So we're gonna play some DJ Marshmallow. Gonna go right here. Go over here. Stop talking, guys. Try to do my channel. Okay. Stop. I go to the. Junior, look at my. Junior. I can fly. I can fly. the thing right there. You go down here. Go in here. You can see marshmallow. You can see marshmallow. And maybe it's it. So it's almost the music's gonna come out. So I'm gonna go all the way to that. So okay, it's not end of the video. So let's go up the stage. This is actually so cool right here. It's actually to show like all the people. Mission. Some people, how he got up there. How he got up there. How he got up there. Staying up there. Huh? Stop talking to me. Stop talking to my YouTube channel. Sorry about that. Hello guys, okay, this is Stuffy. So over here is actually so cool, but I can't even get people up there. No. So here's this tour group on stage. Actually on set right now, we're on set. Actually we're on set. On set. That's really cool. I just started. He's on the stage right now. See him right there. See him right there. Okay, I have to go on stage right now, but I'm gonna leave right now, so I just want to stay right now. Is me already? Okay, I can go on stage. So, share friends. See you next time. Maybe bye. Bye guys. It's not end of the video. We're still gonna look at some Roblox. What happened? Go back to Roblox. Going up here. And here's what we're playing. Hold on, okay, what we're playing. So I wanna go to the thing. So okay, there's a bunch of friends actually. I know they're not here. I know they're not here. Oh, it has me. It has me. It has me. So 25, 22. I got 25, 22.